Hello and welcome to 21st Avenue North, home of the Breakers Resort. There's a little bit of activity on the Tower of Breakers, thanks to one of you commenting on another video mentioning that they started work up here. That inspired me, if you will, to come down and check it out. You can see they've got some protection up against the existing primary tower. That way they don't damage the structure while they take down the old tower. A lot of work going on here, as you can see, with this scaffolding, if I can say that word right, over this walkway. We're going to cross the street here in a second. Here's a good view. As you can see, they've actually attached this scaffolding to the side of the tower that's coming down, which is very interesting. You can see here that it appears they're chipping away at the building, starting from this back corner. Let's go to the ocean side of the structure and get a better look. It may look like a nice warm day, but it's about 40 degrees out here right now. Just a little chilly. So we're going to swing over here and check out the back side of this tower. As you can see, chipping away. A lot of dangling concrete, dangling rebar, all sorts of good stuff. If you zoom in there real closely, you can see the entrance to those units. So if we look at this bottom here, these bottom 3 units with the sliding door, if you just kind of copy and pasted those on top of themselves, you can see that these are all individual units with doors leading into the adjoining unit, just deleted, if you will, from the side of the building. Super interesting. I guess this is the creative solution to take down the building without any sort of impacts to the adjacent structures and infrastructure in the area. If you look closely there, you can see some of the steps to the pool sitting right there with the little blue tiles. Pretty cool. Let's come around this way. It looks like this space over here has a lot of debris on it. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah, this was, or is, it's still down there, part of the lazy river. You can see the lazy river comes out of that building, swings around the corner and goes under these timbers and would loop back around and go back in the building over there. But it is now covered, and scaffolding, man, I can't say that word today, with some scrim around it, is between the buildings. It seems like it's business as usual in the rest of the resort. No impacts to the play area over here. I think it's a little too cold to be splashing in the water personally. Yeah, it says slide closed right there. Like I said, it is a very, very nice day. Just a cold day today. So there you go, a little update on the status of the breakers demolition. If it's taken this long to chip away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units from the top of the building, I can't imagine how long it's going to take to finish this off, remove the debris, and start construction on the new facilities. And then once that begins, how long is it going to take to finish the new said facilities? I don't know. This is going to be a long project, it looks like. Thank you for joining me on this update, this checkup on breakers. Uh-oh. We're being gated off. Those individuals right there said we should not be in this area, so let's not be in this area. Come down here to the backside of the dunes for a moment and just kind of enjoy the view for a minute while I thank all of you for watching not only this video but all the videos on the channel. There's a lot of you that have been around since the way early days, back when this channel was something completely different. So those of you who are watching, listening, I appreciate you. Thank you for the support, and 2020 should be a good year. There's a lot of new stuff in the area, a lot of exciting things going on, and do my best to document them for you guys and gals. I meant to get an angle from this side, and I just forgot. So here's another look. Same thing as before, just a different side of the building. Just wanted to share that since during all the other updates, I got this angle, and for documentation purposes, I like to repeat perspectives in order to have, you know, a little bit of history on the site. Sequence of events, if you will. There's that scaffolding over there, covering the walkway I was talking about. Quite convenient that they have a Ben & Jerry's and a Starbucks and a pizzeria and a little bar over there, all right across the street from the Breakers Resort. I think once this resort refurbishment, reconstruction, redevelopment, whatever you want to call it, is done, it's going to be a very, very, very nice intersection.